Hi, I'm Marie, and welcome to Decabake PH. This channel is a place where hopeful cake makers from all over the world get to learn the art of making exquisite cakes, cookies, and confectionery the easy way.
In this episode, I will show you how you can easily make My Little Pony's Rainbow Dash. Here are the basic materials you will need. We need fondant in light blue and bits of the rainbow colors, edible printed eyes, some edible adhesive, and paint brushes. So let's start. To watch other videos of My Little Pony characters, just click on the links in the description. For more easy-to-follow tutorials, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching!